Hi, this is Rick from Rick's Daily Tips Tech Blog. A few days ago I made a video explaining how to remove the new Discover button that Microsoft has added to the top right corner of the Edge browser. If you're interested in moving that button, I'll put a link to that video in the top right corner of this one momentarily. After that video went live, I received a flood of emails asking if there is any way to remove the thin sidebar from the right hand side of the Edge window. That's the one over on the far right side of the window. The answer is yes, and it's surprisingly easy. First, scroll all the way to the bottom right side sidebar and click the gear-shaped settings icon. Now, toggle the Always Show Sidebar setting to off by clicking the blue slider. That's all there is to it. The right-hand sidebar is now gone. But what if you later change your mind and decide that you want the missing sidebar back? Well, that's almost as easy as hiding it. First, click the three dots in the top right corner of the Edge window. Then select Settings from the menu. In the left-hand pane, click Sidebar. And now you're going to toggle that same Always Show Sidebar setting back to On. And there's the sidebar back. Pretty simple, right? If you found this tip useful, please hit like and subscribe if you'd like to help spread the word. Thanks a bunch.